Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to get old tax returns from TurboTax. First, you will need to log into your TurboTax account. Use your user ID and password to access your profile. If you've forgotten your credentials, simply click the Forgot User ID or Password link to recover them. It's crucial to ensure you are on the correct and official TurboTax website for your specific product to maintain security and access your information accurately. Once you're successfully logged in, your next step is to find your past tax returns. Look for a section typically labeled Tax Home or My Tax Timeline on your dashboard. This area provides an overview of your tax history. Within this section, you will see a clear list of all the tax years for which you have filed returns using TurboTax. Simply click on the particular tax year that corresponds to the return you wish to retrieve. After selecting the desired tax year, you will be presented with options to view or download your tax return. TurboTax typically provides these returns in a convenient PDF format, which is easy to open and print. You can choose to save this PDF document directly to your computer or another device for digital safekeeping. Alternatively, you can print a physical copy for your records, ensuring you have both digital and paper versions. It's important to note that TurboTax typically stores your tax returns for a period of 7 years, aligning with common IRS recommendations. If, for any reason, you are unable to locate a specific return within your account, do not hesitate to contact TurboTax customer support for further assistance. Always remember to keep all your tax-related documents well organized and accessible, as this practice simplifies future tax preparation and record keeping significantly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.